Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the November Sunday Pit Stop Cruise In at the Orange Park Mall. And this is the Walkabout cab. Turnout was a little small this month. Of course, that may have been because they took last month off and they're taking next month off. But anyway, there were still some interesting cars out there. I took lots of video and lots of pictures, and I hope you guys enjoy. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Sorry, I had to get a shot of that. Crowd killer. Nice. Yeah, this is kind of what it looks like out here. Not a whole lot of cars. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.